Hey, if you want to activate Hey Google on your Google Pixel 7 Pro, first of all, you have to remember to go to the Play Store and be sure that you have the latest version of the Google application. So you have to type on the search pool, type Google, and just take a look for this application. Just be sure that you have the latest version. And then all you have to do is just to open this application. Next, tap on the right upper corner, then go to the settings. And right now we have to go to the Google Assistant. First, switch to the language that you want to set. So in my case, it will be the English. If you want to change the language, you can just click right here and pick from the list. Next, we have to go back and tap to Hey Google and the voice match. Right now we have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher. We have to scroll down, tap I agree, then scroll down one more time and also do the same. And after that, we will get the sentence right here that we have to repeat for a few times. So let's tap I agree. Say, okay Google, what is the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And as you can see, it's finished right now. Looks like we are set up, so click next. We can start saving our audio and images on our device, but also we can skip it. You can decide if you want to improve this technology. Honestly, I'm gonna do this. Click I agree. And right now let's try if it works. Hey Google. Hey Google. As you can see right now, it's working. So that's all. Bye bye.